your math lesson for day 12, okay? So out of day 12 packet, get your 2 math sheets. The first one is going to have lesson 61 at the top, just like yesterday's, but it's a different page, 61. And then there's a page with graphing. It's got some animals and one side's got an animal on it, the other side's got a little person on it, okay? Make sure you got those because we're going to do it together. All right, so let's look. Remember what does that T stand for? Remember, the T stands for tens. How many tens do I have? Count. 1, 2. I've got 2 tens. How many ones do I have? Count your ones. Write it up there. It goes in the ones column. Okay, let's read the number. Ready? Go. 25. Okay, ready? How many tens do we have? We've got 2. Oh, trick question. How many ones do we have? I don't see any. So we put what? 0. All right, look at that number. Read it. Ready? 20. Okay, look here. How many tens do we have? Just got 1. So let's put it up in the tens column. Let's count your ones. Ready? How many did you get? Yeah, 6. Uh-oh. That's one of those ones we kind of read backwards. Ready? 16. 16. Ready? Count your tens. Ready? Got 2. 2 tens. How many ones? Okay, look at that number. Read it. 21. Okay? All right, let's look at this part. Okay, guys, we know what we're supposed to do here. You go ahead and start filling that in. I'm going to give you a minute, or you can stop the video. Okay? I hope you stopped and filled it in. Let's do it together. Let's read it. Ready? 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Wonder what comes next. Read it together. Ready? Read it together. Go. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonder how you write 50. What comes after the 40s? The 50s. So 50. Ready? 50. One more. 50. 51. Okay? If you have time, read those numbers all the way through. Okay? Now, look at this number. Let's read it together. Ready? Go. 37. All right. Fill it in. Stop the video. Fill it in. Okay, I hope you've stopped the video and you fill this one in. Ready? 37, 38, 39. Oh, what comes next? What comes after the 30s? Right, 40. 40, 41, 42. You write it before I do. I hope it's in there. read this number. Ready? 17. 17. Okay, stop the video, write it in. Okay? Okay. I hope you stopped it and written it in. Let's think. 17. What comes next? 18. 19. Okay. The teen numbers have one 10. So teens, what comes after the teens? The 20s. 20. What comes after 20? 20. 21. Comes after 21. 21. 22. 23. Okay. All right. Now, let's move down to the bottom. Now, this is all plus and minus. Guys, you know how to do this. So, I want you to stop the video, and I want you to get this done. Remember, watch for your pluses and your minuses. Okay, so stop the video and get this done. All right? Okay, get out your graphing page. Now this is going to take us a little bit of time, but you all can do it. You might want to stop and get some crayons. That might be helpful. But just take a second to get crayons if you have some, okay? All right, now we're going to learn how to draw a bar graph, okay? And somebody went around school asking, what's your favorite subject? And then here's reading. 5 people voted for reading. Math, 9 people voted for math. Science, 8 people voted for science. Writing, 3 people voted for writing. Okay? Now, title. Every graph has to have a title. So, the title of this one is favorite subject. So, you got to take that and copy it down here for the title. So, take that and copy it down here. Get that written. Okay, and if you need to stop the video, that's fine. Now down here, we've got to put each subject. So on reading, put that on the first line. Math, put that there. Science, put that there. And writing, put that one there. So reading goes on the first line. You should be writing. Reading is the first subject. Math. Science is the next one. And then writing is the last one. Alright, if you need to stop the video to get all those written, pause it real quick and get those written in. Okay, once you have those in, now this is how many votes. So here is 0 votes. Right here, 1 vote, 2 votes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My 10 got a little sloppy there, guys, sorry. So we're going to do a bar that shows that reading got 5 votes. So I'm going to color in 5 boxes. Look, they don't have to be completely. 1 vote, 2 votes, 3 votes, 4 votes, 5 votes. All right? Now here's math. How many votes did math get? 9. So skip that box, go to this one. We're going to do 9 votes right across there. Count 9, color in 9 boxes. 1 vote, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Now we've got to do science. How many votes did science get? Science got 8 votes. So skip that box, go here. Let's do 8 votes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Writing only got 3 votes. So 3 boxes. 1 vote, 2 votes, 3 votes. All right. Now, you've done a bar graph. Okay? So we're going to look at our graph to answer our questions. Number 1 says, how many chose science as their favorite subject? So let's find science. How many votes did it have? Go over here and look. It stops at the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many votes did science get? 8. All right. Now, you can't see the next question, but Miss Bridget's going to read number 2 out loud for me, and then I'll help you find it on the graph. What's number 2 say?
How many chose reading or writing as their favorite subject?
Okay, so I want to know reading and writing together. So I've got to count the reading and the writing. Can you all count with me? Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I wanted to know reading and writing together, and I got 8 votes. So I'm going to have to make this go away. All right? So I'm going to move it up. All right. We counted reading and writing together, and we got 8 votes. We got 8 votes again. All right, and number 3, how many voted in all? So I'll tell you what, big hint. All you have to do is go count all the boxes you colored in. Can you go count all the boxes you colored in? Go do that. How many boxes did you color in? I hope you got 25. Did you color in 25 boxes? All right. So when you're done, let's flip it over. We got one more to do. All right. So this time, we're talking about our favorite animals at the zoo, okay? So we need a title. So what did we vote on? Our favorite animals at the zoo. So let's just do favorite animals, okay? So let's copy favorite animals. That's our title. What are we talking about? All right, so we're going to do a bar graph again. Go ahead and write your title. Okay, and if you need an extra minute, just pause the video. Then we've got to put in all of the animals we voted on. So elephants, so let's put elephants here. Copy elephants. I didn't spell elephants right. Y'all gotta catch me. All right, our next animal is monkeys. All right, flamingos. I'll just copy it from there. All right, then we got bears. Bears. All right, if you need to pause the video to finish putting in your animals, go ahead and do that. When you're ready, we're going to come back and put in our votes, okay? So, look here. Do you see these are tally marks? And whenever you cross one over, that means a group of 5. So watch. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5. So this is a group of 5. Oh, I see where they've crossed there. So that's a group of 5 too. So that's a group of 5. That's a group of 5. So how many votes did the elephant get? 10. So we've got to do 10 votes. Color in 10 boxes. Do it with me. Go quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you had to color in all the boxes. 10 votes. All right, let's look at the monkeys. Oh, I see there's a group that's crossed. So that's a group of 5. So here's 5. Let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the monkeys have 8 votes. Skip this line and come down to this one and do 8 votes across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 votes. Take a second to make sure you got 8 votes. All right. Now let's do our flamingos. I see that cross, so that's 5. That's a group of 5. So let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So flamingos got 9 votes. So skip a line, let's do 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Make sure you've got 9 votes for the flamingos. Alright, remember to stop the video if you need to. Now we got to do our bears. Oh, I see that cross. So that's just a group of how many? Right, 5. So let's come down to the bottom and do 5 votes for the bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Okay, now we've got to come down and answer our question. Number 1 says, how many people chose bears as their favorite animal? Well, here's our bears. Let's count. 1 box, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the bears got 5 votes. Got that? All right. Ms. Bridget, if you don't mind to read number 2 for me.
How many people chose monkeys or elephants as their favorite animal?
Okay, so we've got elephants and monkeys. So we got to count all the votes for those 2. Can you all count with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 18. So on number 2, put 18. All right, I'm going to have to erase and we're going to move it up. 18. All right, 18. All right, and number 3, how many people voted for their favorite animals at the zoo? So this is your hint. Go back and count all the votes. Each box you colored in is a vote. So go back and count all the boxes that you colored in. I'm going to give you a minute to do that. You've already written it in. How many people voted? I hope you got 32. Okay. All right. So, if you didn't finish your addition and subtraction problems, go back and finish those for me. That's something you guys can do. Okay. And Ms. Bridget's going to put our science activity underneath the Elmo. Okay. Or underneath the camera. So let me tell you what you need to do for your science or social studies today. Here's TLD Day 12, right here. And you can go to Brain Pop. Not Brain Pop Junior, go to Brain Pop. Don't do the Junior this time. Again, it should be free, okay? So go to Brain Pop and watch the video on pollination, okay? You don't have to take the quiz. You don't have to write anything down. Just watch the Brain Pop on pollination, okay? Or if you don't get that one, go to Get Epic, okay? Get Epic. And then go to What Lily Gets from Bee and listen to that one, okay? Just listen to it. You don't have to do anything else. All right? Or if you can't get either one of those, if you don't have internet access, there's an article in your packet. Let mom or dad read the article to you about hummingbirds. And you don't have to write anything down. You don't have to do anything. Just listen to them read to you about the hummingbirds, okay? All right, guys, I hope you have all your math for day 12 done. I miss you. Y'all take care.